Good morning, children. Today I am here with the second revision video of the chapter 3 Word Processor, a tabular representation in MS Word. Here you can see a table. Already I have discussed. Table is the collection of rows and column. The horizontal lines are known as rows and vertical lines are known as column. And each square box, it is the intersection of a row and a column is known as cell. We enter data in a different cell. If you want to enter data from one cell to another cell, we will use tab key. And if you move the data or move the cursor from up, down, right, left, or you want to enter data down or left or right, we can use arrow keys also. Now, today we will do the modification or editing. For that, we will use design and layout tab. Suppose here maths and science we have given, and I want to enter one more column for English. So what I will do, first we will select, then we will go to layout tab, we'll use insert left, then one new column we will get. If you don't want the new column, directly we will go delete column. In another way also we can insert or delete. First you select the column, go to right click, insert column, left or right. Again you will get another column. The same way we will delete also. English. Now enter the marks with the help of arrow I am doing. 67, 82, 56, 50. Now if I want the colorful table, I don't want this type of table. So we will go to design tab. Easily you can choose any table. Now I've chosen one table. Now there is a problem in this table. Roll number, name, no line is there. So again we can go and we can select another table. Go to design tab and again we are going to select any other table. Suppose I have selected this one with green border. One table with green border. Now suppose I want to change the border. I want to make the border dark. So we can make it dark. If I want different color in a table, who got less marks in English, suppose I will show with a different color. Or who got more marks in science, we can show with different color, or we can use highlighter. First select the number and then go to home tab. Here you can see highlighter. Now I have highlighted the thing. In this way also we can change. If I want to change the alignment, roll number I want in the middle. So what we will do? First you select this column and after that go to home. Just here alignment is given, right, left, middle and justify. We will make middle. If I want data in the right side, we will use right alignment in the same way. If I want to enter any row, the way I have entered column, in the same way, first I will select one row and then go to Layout tab, Insert Row above or below. The same way, if you do right click, and then also you will get the same option, Insert Below or above. If I want to delete, go to Delete, select Delete Row. Now suppose if you want to give the different color to heading, select the heading, go to Home. Here you can select the color. Now the heading color is different. If I want to color each cell, I want the colorful table. So either we can go to Design tab, or we can select or go to the shading part, which color table you want. That color table we will get. So I got that color table only. Which color I want? Now suppose you want border in a table. So we will go to Design tab. Then here we will choose border painter. Then we can paint the border, which color border I want, like this, because I have chosen double border, so it is coming as double border. If you choose single border, it will come as single border. In this way we can do the coloring to border. And after that, after everything, we can save the presentation. 6. So in this way we can do the modification. Mainly we will use Design and Layout tab, and we can use Home tab, whatever thing is given in the ribbon. I hope you understood the concept. Stay safe, stay home.